Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 2023, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now in this highlighted area we've got the languages and input, so let's enter and tap on the languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently added languages, so let's add another one, so tap on other languages, and we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find one and tap on it, so let me pick French. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to set a chosen language to as a default one, so if you want to replace the current language. So of course you can just get back or tap on apply language. And as you can see, the French language will immediately appear at the very top of the list, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. As you can see, it has changed. And if you've got two different languages added to this list, you do not have to enter this whole section with the languages. You can just reorder them to change the language. So let me set the English. We have to tap on it and hold it, and then let's drag it to the first position. And as you can see, in a second basically, and the whole system will be displayed in the English language in my case. If you want to, you can remove the languages from this list just by tapping on the three dots icon here and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on remove again. Tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your INFINIX Note 12 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.